Hi, this is Edgar from Filomania. Welcome to the channel. Here, we'll take an in-depth look at the fascinating world of collectible knives. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this is the perfect place to learn about all kinds of knives, especially pocket knives like the one I'm holding right now. Let's kick things off by diving into this American-made knife. It's crafted by Microtech, a brand that's become synonymous with high-quality knives and precision engineering. As you can see, the knife bears the Microtech logo, which features an eagle claw, a symbol of strength and reliability. This particular knife is made from M390 steel, which is widely regarded as one of the best materials for knife blades. It's known for its toughness, retention, and resistance to corrosion. This model also comes with a sleek black coating, which serves multiple purposes. Not only does it enhance the knife's aesthetic appeal, but it's also highly functional. The coating helps reduce glare, especially in low light or nighttime environments, making it ideal for tactical applications. Additionally, it protects the blade from scratches and corrosion, ensuring that the knife maintains its performance and appearance over time. Now let's talk about the knife's mechanism. This particular model features a patented system called the ram lock. It's a unique firing mechanism developed by Microtech, and it's incredibly easy to use. The ram lock consists of a sliding button that, when pressed, deploys the blade instantly. The operation is smooth and intuitive, making it accessible even for those new to using knives. What's particularly impressive is how solid and secure the mechanism feels. Once the blade is deployed, it locks into place with no wobbling or looseness, whether you test it side to side or up and down. This level of stability is crucial for both safety and performance, especially if you're using the knife for heavy-duty tasks. The ram lock is similar to the axis lock, a system developed by Benchmade, another highly respected knife manufacturer. Benchmade was actually the first to patent this type of mechanism. However, Microtech has taken the concept and refined it, creating their own version that incorporates unique design elements and functionality. Originally, this knife came equipped with durable black plastic scales, which are more than adequate for everyday use. However, I decided to personalize mine by replacing the original scales with custom titanium ones from a company called Original Goat. These scales are specifically designed for this knife model, and the pattern I chose is known as wings. The wings design not only adds a distinctive and stylish look to the knife, but also provides a practical benefit. The textured surface improves grip, making it less likely for the knife to slip from your hand during use. This is especially important if you're working in wet or slippery conditions. The titanium scales also add some weight to the knife, approximately 3 ounces, which is about 85 grams. While this might make the knife feel heavier, it actually enhances its durability and balance. The added weight gives the knife a more substantial feel in the hand, which I personally prefer, especially for more demanding tasks. In total, the knife weighs around 250 grams, or 5 ounces. For comparison, that's slightly heavier than your average smartphone, so it's worth keeping that in mind when you're checking out specifications. This isn't a knife you'd want to carry in lightweight shorts or jogging pants with an elastic waistband. It would weigh them down and bounce around, making it uncomfortable. Instead, this knife is better suited for heavy-duty applications or situations where you're wearing sturdier clothing, like jeans or work pants. It's particularly practical during the colder months when heavier attire is the norm. The weight also works to the knife's advantage when it comes to cutting power. The additional heft allows for cleaner and more efficient cuts, making this a reliable tool for tough jobs. Let's move on to the pocket clip, which is an essential feature for carrying the knife securely. On this particular model, the clip is engraved with the Microtech logo, the MSI model name, and the manufacturing date. This knife was made in December 2023, so it's one of the newer additions to Microtech's lineup. Recently, I swapped out the original scales for the titanium ones, and the process was surprisingly straightforward. The knife uses torque screws, which have a star-shaped pattern, For this knife, the smaller screws are likely size T8, while the pivot screw is T20. I'll confirm the exact sizes and include them in the video description for anyone interested. What stood out to me during the installation was the incredible precision of Microtech's craftsmanship. Even after replacing the scales, everything fit together perfectly, with no gaps or misalignments. This speaks volumes about the brand's attention to detail and commitment to quality. One of the standout features of this knife is the backspacer, which runs along the back of the handle and connects the two scales. While not all knives include a backspacer, some use standoffs instead. It adds both functionality and aesthetic appeal. The backspacer not only enhances grip comfort, but also helps balance the knife's weight, particularly if the blade is front heavy. Some people prefer lightweight knives for everyday carry, and I can see why. A lighter knife is easier to carry discreetly, and you might even forget it's in your pocket. For example, I own smaller knives that weigh between 50 and 90 grams, which are great for casual use. However, I personally enjoy the feel of a heavier knife. There's something about the added weight that makes it feel more substantial and powerful as a tool. This knife, measuring around 16 centimeters, is definitely on the larger side for urban use, but its unique design and high-quality construction make it a standout choice. The knife's design was created by Anthony Marfione, the founder of Microtech. Marfione is renowned for his innovative and functional knife designs, and this model is no exception. While I'm not entirely sure what the MSI stands for, I'll look it up and include the details in the video description. Microtech offers several variations of this model. For example, some feature satin finish blades, while others are fully black coated. The scales are available in a variety of materials, including aluminum, which is lighter than titanium. There's also a wide range of colors, such as green, matte silver, brown, orange, and more. For those interested in customization, Original Goat provides additional scale designs. One of their standout options is the gunstock pattern, which mimics the grip of a pistol. You can also anodize the scales in vibrant colors like red, blue, or yellow to match your personal style. If you like adding extra functionality, you can attach a lanyard to the knife. A lanyard makes it easier to retrieve the knife from your pocket quickly. Personally, I chose not to include one since I rarely use lanyards, but it's a great option if that's something you're into. That wraps up this review. I hope you found it insightful and enjoyed learning more about this knife. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And if you didn't, no problem. Just let it go and live your life in peace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Filomania.